we realized that the habitats are being more fragmented on the island. That means that what used to be a large forest has now been broken down into 2 or 3 different places. So it's quite tough for animals to cross over to the next piece of forest. And this has something to do with development, right? Where we lose trees, we lose natural habitats like this. So with wildlife for the future, we are hoping to collect seeds of native plants, to grow them, of course, and then to replant them. And at the same time, another issue that we saw was that, hey, we have this beautiful bird, charismatic species called the great hornbill, and they're such a huge part in Langkawi's natural heritage. There's been some sort of a mascot for us working here at the nature center. So when we're just moving around in the bay, we realized like that there are some pairs of great hornbills that couldn't nest because they couldn't find a specific tree big enough with a nice cavity to go in and nest. So we hope to replant a lot of these trees that may one day become potential nesting sites, and also at the meantime provide an artificial nesting spot. We picked this spot to deploy the artificial nest for the great hornbills because we have this beautiful Meranti tree, what we think would be a Meranti tree. It's very tall and also very large in girth size. So this would be the tree that naturally great hornbills would go into to nest in the first place, where the cavity would be big enough in this large tree. What our estimate is 34 meters high, so I think that would be a good spot for the great hornbills to fly in to check out first the artificial nest, and if they do use it, it's also a good place for the bird to rest on the outside. This will be the first time that's been done in Langkawi, and the first one to deploy such a nest. But artificial nesting boxes for hornbills is not something new. People have done it before several times in different places. In Malaysia, there's a nice project going on along Sungai Kinabatangan that is doing artificial nesting boxes for the rhinoceros hornbills over there. So we thought like why not we try it out over here for the great hornbills. In fact, our neighbours just north of us, Thailand, there has been successful usage of these artificial nests for the great hornbills. So we hope for this to be something successful, so that we can have more of these artificial nests, not just on Langkawi, or not just in the bay, but in the rest of Langkawi, and of course the rest of Peninsula Malaysia as well.